really good. If you don't mind, you just clip this on your shirt right here.
Oh, okay.
Here, 1 second. And then if you can just hold on to that for me, please.
Just like that?
Yes, ma'am. And if you could go ahead and just say hi to me real quick, I want to make sure you're doing it. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, beautiful. Yeah, you're getting picked up really well.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead. You're good to go. I apologize for that.
Perfect. And what would you say your biggest takeaway from the workshop is?
What would I say the biggest takeaway from this workshop?
Yeah.
Well, there was a lot of good things, but one that I can start right away using is how to test my lines, because I send, emails regularly. And there's a website where you can put the subject line into it, and then it's going to give you the result and some suggestion about that. I like it very much. And, I want to learn more about it.
Nice.
Yeah.
And do you think that other people could benefit from the workshop?
Yes, if I think other people can benefit about this workshop, and I would say totally, absolutely, and we have to disseminate a little bit more about it, or I will. And I do appreciate you having this workshop here for us. That's great.
Awesome. And then if you can just give me your name and the name of your business once more now that you're mic'd up.
Oh, okay. So you want me to give you my name and the name of what I'm doing? Okay, my name is Louise Alepines. I live in Clearwater, and I am a realtor, actually, in the surrounding areas, Clearwater and around.
Beautiful. That was really nice.
All right, thank you.
Thank you very much.
It's a practice. I need to do it because they tell us
Yeah, you're
that
great on
realtors,
camera.
I don't know, that's why I'm not doing it, because I don't like it,
Yeah,
They say realtors, we should have videos everywhere.
yeah, and you do. I mean, you have a really good image on camera. You're very natural. You, like you said, the audio picks up the mic was picking up your audio really well. You have, so that means you have the voice for it. It's good.
That's right. I hope I look good.
You do.